Hello everyone, my name is Michael and today I'm going to present on my senior Colloqium final presentation. So this presentation will be divided into two parts, the first being the important insights that I've learned from my lectures, and the second which is my role as engineer in the future. So important insights. Throughout the course I've learned many things about engineering. One of which is the definition of engineering. At first, I thought that engineering is merely a major. However, I learned that it's not the case. Engineering is a way of life, and that we do it almost every day in our lives. Whether that be fixing things or creating things, that is what makes up to be in engineering. So the other insights that I learned from my lectures is engineering in a global arena. So being an engineer in a global arena is not an easy task. There are some requirements and skills that an engineer must have in order for them to survive in the real world. One of which is the excellence through interdisciplinary. An engineer must be able to go out of their comfort zone and learn new things and to be able to apply them in the real world. The next is the adaptability to rapid innovation. As time grows, so does technology and innovation, and an engineer must be able to adapt to those rapid innovations so that they are able to improve those innovations and technologies. Aside from improving current technologies and innovations, they must be able to also burst their creativity and make new innovations that can help the society, help mankind. So the next insight that I've learned throughout my senior Colloqium course is engineering management system. There are 8 levels. First level is a commitment. An engineer must be able to commit some of their time to be able to finish their work. Level 2 is regulation. They have to know the regulations of their work. Level 3 and level 4 is connected, in which an engineer must know the resources that they have at their disposal, both internally and externally. Level 5 is the risk management. An engineer must know the risks of their job and how to manage them. Level 6 is the process. So an engineer must know the process on how to do their work or job. Level 7 is performance monitoring. Performance and monitoring means that an engineer must be able to monitor their performance. Level 8 is audit and reviews. So once an engineer has finished their work and job, the next step is to get it audited, get it reviewed, and learn on how to improve on their work. So the next is my future role as an engineer. So my future role as an engineer is to be able to create a machine that is able to help their surrounding. So how I plan to do that is to create a research paper and determine what kind of machine that is able to help my environment. The next is to test out the machine through the use of simulations, and then gain funding from the government through my research paper. And the next is to be able to create the product with only Indonesia parts. Thank you.